I was supposed to do the video on Monday, and I had an appointment today, and it was switched to Monday, so that's why I'm doing it today. And I have appointments like every day this week. Yesterday I had to go to like 3 places. Tomorrow I'm gonna have to go to like 3 places. So yeah, that's my life. So anyway, I was gonna do some more Physicians Formula, but then I got my Crystal Cavern collection. I don't know, Monday or Tuesday, whenever I put up that video or somewhere along that time. I can't even remember. Probably was Friday. Friday, yes. And this looked like taupe to me, but it's actually in the light. It has like a beautiful metallic purple. So there's no way that, again, they haven't been putting all highlighting colors in their kits, so I'm going to use this differently. So I'm going to use this lighter purple as a transition color, the lighter purple right here. Okay, that's a little better. Not really sure what's happening there. This looks like it's more of it is a lid color. I'm wondering if you can get away with using that as a highlighter. I mean, you can't even barely see it. So maybe if you mix it with a lighter color. And I use the purple as the lid color, the jumbo pencil. Alright, let's use that beautiful amethyst color right there. And let's just... I'm having trouble with this, lifting color from here and putting it on my eyes. And I did put a primer. I haven't watched any reviews of this yet, but I think I'm going to look into the reviews and see what people say, because I'm really having a lot of trouble here. Just blend that out. And then on the lid, I'm going to use that gorgeous metallic color right there. It has like different shifts to it. That's why it didn't look like purple to me when I first used it. Here goes. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. That is amazing. That is an amazing color. It's very chunky. Because it is metallic, it's very chunky though. Some people say use your fingers. You can even see chunks on here. Amazing. That is really amazing. Might have to wear false lashes with this because it's kind of dark. I decided to use this I got this from NYX. I was trying to get free shipping, and this was like on sale for like $3. So it says it's like some sort of a violet, very, very pastel violet. So I'm going to use that as the brow highlight. So I dipped back into that pretty purple, that amethyst color right there, to fix my contour. I think I put the camera too low. Usually I put it too high. I think I put it too low. Sorry about that. And it's picking up on that color on the bottom too. Wow. My first opinion is that this eyeshadow is not as, it's not as smooth as like their Rebel Rose. Those eyeshadows were amazing. These eyeshadows, I'm having trouble lifting color. It looks like it's like when you wet it, an eyeshadow, and you can't use it anymore. That's what this looks like as you rub into it to get the color out. And the only color that's working is that chunky purple color that shifts. So I'm having trouble with this palette. When I try next week's palette or I go to do swatches, I'm not sure why it's doing that. I don't know if you can tell, but it's got that, like, I think you can see it there, like when somebody puts an oily finger in a shadow. I don't know what's going on with that, but we'll see as we continue to do this collection. Okay, well, let me finish my makeup, and I'll show you the highlighters and everything else. So let me finish my makeup and I'll be right back. Hey everyone, so this is not the finished look because I wanted to show you how the different things, you know, looked going on. I used this palette without the NYX. I just decided to use this as the highlighter. It's just, I don't want it all to spill out. It's just so chunky. So I just put the Amethyst in the crease, that as the highlighter, and this on the lid. And it worked better than what I tried doing before as a transition color. It worked way better. The colors look way better. So this side I think looks better than this side because I didn't use that color as a transition color. I just used it as a highlighter, and it really does go on as a highlighter. And I did use this in my inner corners, this highlighter. I had a hard time opening these. These are different. I even cut myself trying to open it. Another thing I noticed, the glue is all sticking out of the edges. I don't know who made these, but probably made in China. I don't know, but you can see all the glue, just chunks of glue on the outside. I'm just wondering how this was made. But anyway, I'm just gonna dip a fan brush into this highlighter, and I'm just gonna run it down my nose. Woo! My goodness. I might have to go over that. Let me just see if I can soften that up, because I'm gonna have to go over that with powder. And I'm gonna use the same fan brush. It still has some of the other highlighter in it, but I'm gonna dip it in the purple. This has purple, green, pink, and white rocks to correlate with all the makeup. And I'm pretty sure this is meant to be used mixed together, but I'm gonna try and see if I could just get purple on the brush with this thin little brush, and I'm gonna swipe it across my cheek. Same thing with the other side. I really like that. I really like using a little brush and just picking the rock that you want, and just, you know, the color you want. And well, this is a little bit lighter because it was still mixed with the other one, but wow, that is pretty. I'm just gonna tone it down a little bit. Just go over it with the brush. And let's try the Amethyst lip gloss. Very nice. Oh wow, that is really nice. Kind of reminds me of, I think it's Scorpio lip gloss from the Zodiac collection. So that's the finished look. I did put lashes on because that lid color was like a black with like fuchsia sparkles in it, and so I felt it didn't need lashes. I'm not crazy about wearing lashes, but I just felt it needed it. And then I just used one of my Physicians Formula purple liners underneath, and yeah, so that's what I did. Oh, almost forgot. I hate doing these after makeup. Here goes. Wow. You gotta really hold this far away. Number one. Number two, it smells like alcohol. It smells like alcohol. It shouldn't smell like that. Not for the face. Yeah. And I feel like I didn't get... I like... I don't know what's in this, but... not exactly crazy about the smell. So, yeah, so now this is the finished look. This collection is available now. They just became available yesterday on the website for everyone, on the wetandwildbeauty.com website.